How to boil eggs without cracking, clean, soft and easy to peel. You might not think about it, but eggs can be really dirty when they come from the farm. Sometimes, they're covered in feathers, droppings, or bits of straw. But if we skip cleaning them properly, we're risking more than just a dirty cooking pot. Bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella can sneak through the shell and into your food. So today, I'm going to show you how to clean and cook eggs the right way, so they come out safe, smooth, soft, and super easy to peel. First, grab a large bowl and place your eggs inside. Sprinkle in just a bit of baking soda. Now add a little salt. This combination works like magic, gentle but effective. Then pour in enough water to cover the eggs. Give the bowl a gentle swirl to dissolve the ingredients. Let the eggs soak for 5 minutes. This helps remove not just dirt, but invisible bacteria too. You might not know this, but when a chicken lays an egg, it passes through a single channel called the cloaca. That same passage is used for both eggs and waste. So the shell can easily pick up bacteria and droppings along the way. After soaking, take a clean towel and gently wipe each egg. They'll look shinier and much cleaner. Now, if you store your eggs in the fridge, this part is especially important. Cold eggs dropped into hot water often crack from the sudden heat. So before you boil, let the eggs sit in room temperature water for about 10 minutes. This helps balance the temperature inside and out. While they sit, let's talk nutrition. Eggs are packed with protein, vitamins, and choline. They're good for your brain, your muscles, and almost every part of your body. And the best part? They're easy for everyone to eat, kids, adults, even seniors. Now that the eggs are ready, let's prepare to cook. Fill a pot with about 1 liter of water. Add a pinch of salt and stir it in. Instead of boiling the eggs directly, we'll use a steamer basket. Place it over the pot and arrange the eggs inside. Right in the center, put a small bowl. Add a bit of vinegar to the bowl. Then a small pinch of salt. Stir gently. Why this step? Because the vinegar softens the outer shell just a bit, and the salt helps the steam transfer heat more efficiently. Together, they make the eggs easier to peel and taste even better. Now turn the heat to high until the water boils. Once it does, reduce it to medium and let the eggs steam. For soft-boiled eggs, go for 6 minutes. For hard-boiled, let them steam for 11 to 12 minutes. Keep in mind, if you cook too long, the eggs dry out. The yolk becomes crumbly, and the taste isn't the same. But if you time it right, you'll get a soft, springy texture every time. Once your timer's up, remove the lid. Steam should rise immediately. Don't eat them yet. Transfer the eggs straight into a bowl of cold water. This step is crucial. The sudden cooling helps the egg contract slightly inside the shell. That means when you go to peel it, the shell will slide off smoothly. Let them soak until the eggs are cool to the touch. If they're still hot, you'll struggle with sticky shells. Now that they're cool, let's peel one. Tap the egg gently with the back of a knife, not too hard, just enough to crack the shell. Peel away the broken section, and you'll see the shell come off in smooth, easy strips. Look at that. No tearing, no sticking, no mess. The egg is soft, smooth, and beautifully cooked. Let's slice it open to see the yolk. Perfect yellow center. No green ring, no gray tint, just clean, nutritious egg. Before we end, here are 2 tips to remember. 1. Don't drink tea right after eating eggs. Why? The protein in eggs reacts with tannic acid in tea, and that can cause indigestion or bloating. 2. Avoid eating eggs with soybeans. These 2 ingredients, when eaten together, can block nutrient absorption. So if you want to get the most from your eggs, keep them simple. As you can see, using this method makes a huge difference. No cracks, no waste, no stress. Whether it's breakfast or a snack, these eggs are clean, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. Try this method at home, and let me know how it works for you. Do you have your own trick for boiling eggs? Tell me in the comments below, I'd love to hear it. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more smart kitchen tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.